We're inside the DEX course of Internachi, and we're taking a look at receptacles. And this is an illustration of a weatherproof receptacle cover. In damp or wet locations, boxes, conduit bodies, and fittings should be located or equipped to prevent moisture from entering the box, conduit body, or fitting. Boxes, conduit bodies, and fittings installed in wet locations should be listed for wet locations. If an inspector observed an outlet receptacle and the box is mounted on the surface, it should be listed for that purpose. Common box types are FS and FD. The box cover should be installed with a gasket to prevent moisture intrusion. Receptacles installed in damp locations and protected from the weather, like under a roof, a roofed open porch, or located in other damp locations, must have an enclosure that's weatherproof or weathertight when the receptacle cover is closed and an attachment plug is not inserted. This is a picture of a weatherproof box with a GFCI receptacle, and an attachment plug is connected while the cover is closed. The receptacle installed in a wet location, exposed to the weather, must have an enclosure that is weatherproof, whether or not an attachment plug is inserted. These receptacle covers provide sealed weather protection even when the cords are plugged into the receptacle. And that's a picture of a weatherproof cover with a GFCI and a plug.